Okay, switching gears now. Today, Robert F. Kennedy Jr. will meet with some 24 senators, shoring up support and clarifying his controversial views on vaccines and health care. Kennedy's confirmation hearing to lead the Department of Health and Human Services could begin next month. If confirmed, he will oversee the FDA, the CDC, and the National Institutes of Health, impacting the health of millions of people worldwide. NewsNation's Elina Shirazi is live in D.C. with more this morning. Elina, good morning to you. Any word from RFK Jr. ahead of today's meetings?
Markie, good morning. Well, a transition official does tell us that RFK Jr., he is energized and he is immensely prepared to talk about his plans to make America healthy again. We know RFK Jr., as you mentioned, he's meeting with 25 senators this week, solidifying his support to run HHS. He's likely, though, to face a lot of questions from both Democrats and Republicans, both sides of the aisle, over his controversial ideas on health care. We know Kennedy has been arguing the surge of chronic diseases in America can be traced to ultra-processed foods, environmental toxins, as well as chemical additives. He wants to ban fluoridated water and increase access to raw milk. Our Mills Hayes did a report on that. But front and center, though, it's his skepticism over vaccines. That is the biggest topic here. He denies being anti-vaccine, but he's spread widely debunked claims about them in the past. We know in recent days, a report surfaced of an attorney for RFK Jr. petitioning the FDA to revoke the approval of the polio vaccine. Senate Republican leader Mitch McConnell, he has survived polio as a child and says he still suffers the effects of it. He did issue a warning. He said, quote, in part, efforts to undermine public confidence in proven cures are not just uninformed, they're dangerous. Anyone seeking the Senate's consent to serve in the incoming administration would do well to steer clear of even the appearance of association with such efforts. And we know Senator Elizabeth Warren, also among others, raising concerns about his stance on vaccines. But some, like Senator Bernie Sanders, say they're open to having a conversation.
I look forward to sitting down and talking with them. Obviously, vaccines, whether it's polio or COVID, have saved millions and millions of lives, and I strongly support vaccines. On the other hand, what I will tell you, and we had a hearing on this recently, is the food industry, through their processed foods, are helping to cause obesity in this country.
And if every Democrat opposes him, we know it will only take 4 Republicans to sink his nomination. His confirmation hearing, we know, could be sometime in January. Markie.
All right, we'll be watching today closely. Elina, thank you so much. Thanks for watching, everybody. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. Also, don't forget to click that red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.